My name is Brian Steinwegner, Executive Vice President at Morris Packaging. I'm thrilled to be here with you today. Want to talk about building bridges between ourselves and our customers and our employees. Key is really getting to know your customers and understanding what their true end goals are and how to overcome the obstacles that they may be facing. So building bridges came from our owner, Jim Morris, who uses it as a story that he tells in numerous when he was a child growing up. And he would always run. He was a great athlete. He would run to this bridge, but he would never cross the bridge until he actually got a scholarship to get off the Indian reservation where he grew up on. So once he got a scholarship, he then crossed that bridge because he viewed that as, I now have a way to go to make a better life for myself. So we view and take that same philosophy and view in business, that we are always trying to help our customers, our employees, help them cross that bridge, whether it means advancement in their personal careers, by advancing them through the company, giving them a good, healthy, livable wage so they can get that new car, get that first home that they desire. And then with our customers, they help them to maximize what they can do for their business and their brand, whether it become looking at going into sustainable options, looking at they have an extremely tight timeline to launch this new product. How am I gonna be able to make that happen? We figure out how to build that bridge to get to allow them to make that work. It really comes down to, you have to have that relationship between both companies. So it can't be viewed as a supplier-customer relationship, because generally those type of relationship, you can't get the collaboration that if you are true partners to come up with, where they detail what are the goals and give those to us. We come back with what are the potential objections or issues, and then work together to come to a final solution. If it's viewed as strictly a vendor-customer relationship, you generally don't get to those details and can really get to a true solution that works for everybody. Our first great example would be Costco. Costco has come to us, and sustainability is extremely important to them, and they want to know, okay, how can we make a true noticeable difference in our packaging? And working together, we came up with the recycled content concept for them. And we started out with 30% recycled content material in their packaging. So we know in 2020, we're going to save over 2 million pounds of plastic that was destined to go to a landfill. That's not anymore, that is put into their packaging. Now they've challenged us, and how do we get to increase that? And that's where collaboration with them, you got to work it up in steps up there. And we feel that we're going to be at 50% in their package by early 2021. And that is, again, a collaboration, working together to make that happen. The key is to be able to do it without jeopardizing the integrity of their package. So that is number one for their consumers, that the package still maintains the strength and the durability that they want. But we're trying to maximize the amount of recycled content that we can put in there and still maintain that. The second option is we have a new bag out there called, we're calling RevoPack, which is, we're trying to revolutionize that market for multi-wall bags or woven bags that are non-recyclable. The biggest hindrance up to this point was strictly cost. Because of the price point of multi-wall and the price point of woven, there was really not an option out there to be able to get into a 100% recyclable bag. We've now overcome that hurdle with this bag option, and now we can give a competitive product to a paper multi-wall bag or a polywoven bag that is 100% recyclable polyethylene material and be cost competitive, so they don't have that huge hurdle to overcome. When the MacArthur Foundation came out and the 2025, everybody's, oh my God, how are we ever going to get there? And right now we're there. We can provide that to you right now, and it's really been in conjunction with our internal beliefs as a company to do the unthinkable, I guess, so to speak. Our vendors have been a huge help with us on this. both from material-wise and equipment-wise. And then our customers with the open mind to take a look at these kind of options as well. You got to have everything working together to really make it work. And if one of the 2 or 3 pieces have a different goal or different philosophy, it's never going to work. You got to be all on that same path together to really make it work, and as quickly as we've done things, which is, I think, phenomenal on how fast this is all taking place.